So good morning everybody. I am Jayashree from SNS College of Technology from Department of Biomedical Engineering. So I am going to take half adders. Okay. Under this unit 4 combinational logic circuits. So this half address performs this addition operations for the patients in biomedical engineering. Let us see in detail. Okay. So these are the functions we are going to see this half adders. So recall the manual binary addition. Okay. So before half adders, what they do and why half adders and what are the half adder operation and how this half adder transfers in biomedical field. So let us see in detail. Okay. So this is what this before half adder. This was this manual addition take place. So each and every time the engineers need to write a long letter for this particular binary digits, that is particular decimal digit. So suppose if it is 11, we should write 1011. If it is a 6, in the fourth place it will come to 1 and the second place it will come to 1. So this 4 plus 2 is what? 6. We need to write decimal equivalent for this particular binary. So we need to add these numbers one by one and finally get the answer. So this was very slow and impracticable in real-time biomedical systems. Okay, let us see. Biomedical students deals with ECG, EEG and medical equipments, right? So this requires fast digital processing. That is medical imaging, pixel addition, patient monitoring, signal summation. So this can also understand the role of basic logic circuits in biomedical systems. Okay. So next one is what? What is a half adder? Okay. The half adder is the simplest arithmetic circuit that adds two binary inputs. Okay. Argument and addend. In biomedical terms, thinking of adding two biosignals, that is heart rate sensor bit and oxygen saturation sensor bit. Okay. So we can add the two signals and finally we get the patient data, whether the heart is functioning for the particular oxygen, right? So this is what this half adder in basic circuit is mapped to the biomedical terms. And also the half adder also has sum and carry are the two outputs, right? It represents combined signal outcomes and represents overflow, that is threshold crossing that needs further processing. It forms the foundation of arithmetic in medical devices like pacemakers, ventilator controls and imaging equipment. So these are the basic function of the half adder circuit. We already mentioned that AB, that is 0 plus 0, sum 0 and carry 0. And 0 1 is what? Sum 1, carry 1. And 1 0 is what? Sum 1, carry 1. 1 1 is what? Sum 0, carry 1. So this forms this addition of this half adder. Okay, with the two inputs. So this forms the basic logic circuits for this half adder circuits. Next one is what? Ideate. The students can imagine half adder as a basic building blocks for the patient monitoring systems. For this, we need to wear the wristwatch, right? So wristwatch can measure this pressure, heart rate, and what is, if they are going for walking, how many steps they walk daily, and carry output. It can also act like a alert flag and abnormal values. So this is the main function of this half adder. Next one is what? Multiple half adders can chain to form the full adders. Yes, if two half adders are placed in continuously, we form this chain of full adders. They is used in ECG, MRI scanners and insulin pumps. So activity area similar to half adder in biomedical case study. Next one is what summary. So half-air and biomedical engineering. Still now we have seen the design thinking mapping. What is the students' needs? How the students perform this basic logic circuit to the biomedical students, and how it is defined, two inputs and two outputs, and what is the applications. Like if you are going to give the some input, then only we get the output, right? These are the applications and the building blocks. These are the key roles and examples. Okay, understand the role of basic logic circuits and digital medical devices, device examples and activity idea. Next one is what assessment. What is the primary function of an half adder in a biomedical system? So these are the four choices. So out of this four choice, which is suitable for this? You can decide and let me know. Okay. So these are the some references which I include in this half adder for your reference. Okay. Next one is what? Nothing is impossible. The verse says, I am possible, right? So thank you all. Have a great day.